Hey there, welcome back to our Smart Money channel. Today, we have something special for you, 5 money secrets that everyone should know. Whether you are a kid, a teenager, or an adult, these secrets will help you make smart financial decisions. In this video, we will guide you through these secrets with simple examples and easy-to-understand calculations. The first money secret is all about the power of saving. Saving means setting aside a portion of your money for the future instead of spending it all right away. Let us say you receive an allowance of $10 per week. If you save just $2 out of that $10 every week, you will have $104 saved up in a year. Saving not only helps you achieve your goals, like buying a toy or going on a vacation, but it also gives you financial security in case of emergencies. The second money secret is about the magic of compound interest. Compound interest is like a magic spell that makes your money grow faster over time. Let me show you how it works. Imagine you have $100 in a savings account, and it earns 5% interest per year. After 1 year, you will have $105. Now, in the second year, you will earn 5% interest not only on your initial $100 but also on the extra $5 you earned in interest the previous year. So, after the second year, you will have $110.25. The amount keeps growing each year, and the more time you give it, the more your money multiplies. The third money secret is all about budgeting. Budgeting is like having a roadmap for your money. It helps you know how much you are earning, how much you are spending, and where your money is going. Let us say you get $20 as a birthday gift. You decide to split it into 3 parts. $5 for saving, $5 for buying a gift for your friend, and $10 for treats. Budgeting helps you make sure you do not spend all your money at once and helps you achieve your financial goals. The fourth money secret is about avoiding debt and credit traps. Debt is like borrowing money that you have to pay back later, usually with extra interest. Credit cards are an example of debt. When you use a credit card to buy something, you are borrowing money from the credit card company, and if you do not pay it back in full, they will charge you interest. Let us say you buy a toy for $20 using your credit card, and the interest rate is 15%. If you only pay the minimum amount each month, it will take you a long time to pay off that toy, and you will end up paying more than $20 in total. So, it is important to be careful with debt and use credit responsibly. The fifth and final money secret is about investing for the future. Investing means putting your money into things that have the potential to grow in value, like stocks or real estate. Let us say you have $50, and you decide to invest it in a company's stock. If the stock's value increases by 10% in a year, your $50 will become $55. Investing can help your money grow faster than just keeping it in a savings account, but it is essential to do your research and be patient with your investments. Congratulations! You have now unlocked 5 money secrets that everyone should know. Remember the power of saving, the magic of compound interest, the importance of budgeting, avoiding debt and credit traps, and the benefits of investing for the future. By applying these secrets to your financial life, you will be well on your way to making smart money decisions and building a strong financial future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future finance videos. As always, thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.